Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, upload the file you want to share. Open OneDrive, drag the file into the target folder or choose Upload Files. Make sure the file finishes syncing, you'll see a status icon. Once done, confirm the folder path so you know where the shared link will point. If you plan folder-level access, upload into that folder now. This avoids broken links and keeps permissions consistent when you start sharing. Now create the share link. Right-click the file and pick Share, or select it and press the Share button. Choose who can use the link, anyone, people in your organization, or specific people, because that controls discoverability and security. Then set permissions to can view or can edit, toggle editing off for read-only. You can add an expiration date or password for extra control. Once configured, copy the link or directly invite recipients via email to send it securely. Send the link through email, chat, or use the OneDrive invite to notify people directly. Include a short message so recipients know context. After sharing, monitor and manage access using Manage Access to revoke links or change permissions. If someone can't open the file, make sure their account matches the link type and that the file has fully synced. If issues persist, revoke the link, reissue with specific people, and verify
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.